Hi, I am Riya Karmakar and I study at Parul University. I'm incredibly proud to be a part of this university. Academically, this place is amazing. The research opportunities here are outstanding, with state-of-the-art labs and professors who really push you to explore new frontiers of knowledge. Whether you are deep into research or working on exciting projects, the academic environment is dynamic and supportive. Plus, this university is very entrepreneurial. If you have got an idea, there are endless opportunities to innovate and bring it to life. And it's not just about academics. Campus life here is vibrant and full of energy. There's always something happening, from student club events to cultural festivals and even casual hangouts at one of the many campus cafes. You will never run out of things to do or people to meet. Plus, this university offers the perfect balance of academic excellence, personal growth, and a lively campus atmosphere. I couldn't have asked for a better place to learn and thrive. Your next step starts here. The future is waiting for you here.